Quick Service Refrigerator Repair, Bowie, Maryland. 301-248-5566. We service all makes and models of refrigerators, freezers, ice machines, and more. We offer 24-hour emergency service. We are a licensed, insured, and professional company. Credit cards accepted. We service and repair residential refrigeration systems, commercial refrigeration systems, and ice machines too. Keep your fridge running fresh. Free service call with repair. Give us a call now. Schedule an appointment today. Same day service available. Competitive prices and quick service. 301-248-5566.